Ang sarap ng banding.
Ang sarap ng banding. Tapos gusto ko nga pala mag-shoutout sa lahat ng mga tao na nandito ngayon for coming here today, joining us. Napakadami nyo, libo-libo kayo dyan. I'm very sorry na hindi ako nakakarara, but next year, babawi ako sa inyo.
Great fun that we have a good weather today. Pagpakal, di ba? Kasi pag umulan, wala. So, thank you Lord. Ako there, isa na yung mga... Okay, 8 cups. Okay, we will wait for this moment, guys. We're late na entering
Greatest development of the show.
Pasok ka, lahat ng 65.
Alam mo brother, Anton Fuentes is, two steps ahead from this guys right here. Anton, walang makakatalo kay Anton Fuentes dito sa karera nito, dito sa category na to, because Anton, he's really ang difference is Anton has a very good line right here. Kung makikita niyo yung linya niya, hindi square up. Hindi mo si, Validor. Ang lakas problema sa liko kasi masyadong mag-tulis. At masyadong inside sa landing, it should over in front of the stage. And that's already 1 second or 2 seconds long. Unlike the other guys, they land in the center and they end up in the center of the world. Kaya nawawala yung momentum nila kasi kailangan nila momentum para hindi sila violation sa likod ng world. Yes, but you cannot take away the glory from the P2 and P3 riders like Pareño. Pareño is racing here in Pasig and is trying his best. Ayun ang linya sinasabi ko. Yung linya na yan, marami yung ito na yan. It's just experience and finding what line works, what line doesn't work. You don't want to stay in the line that doesn't work. The mega line or the optimal line. Okay, line number 65. 60.
It's 3:05 in the afternoon.
Willing to wait tayo, willing to wait. Ay, naka-good body pa rin, paborito ko yan. Nakasabi na lang na medyo matamis ang gusto ko, medyo. Kaya ni Pareño yan eh. You just have to be smart with his lines. Parang mga ganun, hindi mo pwede gawin yun kasi you're gonna end up blocking the line of ano, and kapag kumira siya ng double, mayroon tendency na manumbaka. So this line right here is outside. Kapag nag-show, ayun lang. Kailangan nyo sabayan sa... Ilang laban mo ba dyan? Medyo matagal-tagal. Ilang laban pa natitira dyan? Sabi ang mga vlogger. Okay, relax na lang.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Salamat mga from team, anong team brother?
JCR.
Team JCR. June lang. Ay, ano ba yan? Ay, ano ba?
Oh, marami ng Joe's Chicken.
Two laps to go. But the battle is heating up from P2. Ron Valedor versus your boy from Panay. Joshua Pareño. Alam ko, right lang. Init. Alam ko, ayos na po. May pagpagising tayo, brother. May paggising.
Oo, sarap pa rin, oh. Basta full coffee. Steve JCR.
Pareño needs to find a different opportunity to do what he already did work in the first few laps. So kailangan niya maghanap ng ibang diskarte, brother. Hindi pwede para dyan, hindi pwede ipipil. Pwede takbo. Outside! Outside! Get the momentum! Wow! Tingnan natin kung saan niya kukunin.
Partner, wala na. Lumayo na si Anton. Break away na si
Yung sa live feed natin sa Pro Class, pwede mo ibigay sa akin yung live feed natin yung makakapaganood sa taas sa announcers po at saka yung
Okay, white flag for Anton, for Ted, followed by Ron Valedor. Wala white flag na. Dapat done. We will wait for this moment, guys. Anton Cortez.
alam mo, Joshua Pareño is strong. I can see him, he's very strong. Hoy!
partner.
Yes.
Napakaganda ng
Overtake ni Joshua. Joshua, made a statement na hindi sila papayag na mananalo. Mindanao ngayon.